Mastery Connect allows you to export scores from assessments into any gradebook. In this example, I'm using a traditional online gradebook called Jupiter Grades. You may be using a different gradebook or your SIS, but again, Mastery Connect will work with any gradebook you're using. As you can see, I've already created an assignment in my traditional gradebook that corresponds with my assessment in Mastery Connect. As a teacher, I use formative assessments to inform my instruction and typically only export more summative assessments. But of course, it's always up to you how to use your formative data to drive your traditional grading process. When exporting grades to your traditional gradebook, you'll need to make sure that the order and number of your students in both your Mastery Tracker and your traditional gradebook match. Mastery Connect allows you to sort your students by last name, first name, or by student identification number. You can also sort the list ascending or descending to make it easily match up to your list of students in your gradebook. Hovering over the assessment column heading, I can choose the link to export scores. If I'm exporting data from a multi-standard assessment, the Export Scores option can be found in the orange menu icon near the top of the page. Once I select Export Scores, a dialog appears giving me instruction to go to my gradebook and use the F8 key to complete the export. I also have the option to export a mastery or a percentage score. Next, I'll move to the browser window or tab where I have my traditional gradebook open and place my cursor in the first field where I would normally begin typing. Instead of typing in the scores, I'll push the F8 key on my keyboard, and scores will automatically be typed for me. One quick note here, if you're on a Mac, you may need to hold down the function key and press F8 to complete the export. To move on and learn more about assessment creation, click on the Next Step button below.